All right, we'll start with question number 6. And question number 6 says that log of, this is x, log of 4x plus 5 by 6 minus 5x to the base x less than minus 1. Okay, so this is given to us. Okay, now see here. So here what I will do first is I will write the main condition here. Now see here, for this logarithmic function to be valid, this must be greater than 0, right? So this will be greater than 0 when 4x plus 5, right? 4x plus 5 by 6 minus 5x greater than 0. So from here, I can say that 4x plus 5, it should be greater than 0, and 6 minus 5x is greater than 0. Okay, so from here, x is greater than minus 5 by 4, and from here, it's going to be x is less than 6 by 5, right? 6 by 5. Okay, so if I make a number line here, so this is going to be minus 5 by 4, this is 6 by 5, so it represents this region, right? Then now the next part is that we'll take the question. Now what it says that log of x to the base 4x plus 5, and here 6 minus 5x is less than minus 1. Okay, now this base is variable, right? Variable, so it can be greater than 1 and it can be between 0 and 1. So we have to take both the cases, right? So here, first I will take case 1, and case 1 is when your x is greater than 1, means your base is greater than 1, which means that base is greater than 1 means that increasing function, right? Increasing function. Okay, so from here, what I can see is that 4x plus 5, 6 minus 5x, and because it's increasing function, so the sign of inequality remains the same. So it's going to be x minus 1 y, right? And it can be written as 1 by x, right? So if I solve it further, 6 minus 5x minus 1 by x less than 0, right? And here x 6 minus 5x, and here it's going to be 4x squared plus 5x, and it's going to be 4x squared plus 10 plus 10x, right? 4x squared plus 10x, yes, plus 10x minus, and here it's going to be minus 6. Okay, so this is going to be the simplified version. Okay, so from here, if you take the factors, so it's going to be 12. You can split this middle term, so it's going to be plus 12x minus 2x. So it's going to be x plus 3 and here 2x minus 1 by x6 minus 5x less than 0. I hope you can see it. Okay, you can check it, you can factorize, you can split the middle term. You are going to get these as your factors. Okay, now what I will do here, I have to solve this inequality. Okay, so see the upper one is the in the numerator section we have okay, this is uh, I can find the critical points here. The critical point here, it's minus 3. This is minus 3, and then here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 here, and here 0. So 0 from here, because this means 0, right? X minus 0, and this is going to be 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is here. It's greater than 1. So 6 by 5. Right? Now we have to solve this inequality. Right? So I just put the critical points here. Now, one way is that now you got intervals here. You can check for the values. You can take some values in the intervals, and then you can apply those values here, and you can check if it satisfies the equality. That is one way to do it. Okay, my way here is that, because I know the graph for this. Okay, so see here, for example, 4x squared plus 10x minus 6. So I've got 2 points. These are the zeros, right? If you know the graph of quadratic equation, then you understand what I'm trying to say. So for example, this is, I'm going to get 1 root at minus 3 here, and the other at 1 by 2. Okay, so because the sign of leading coefficient of x square is positive, so this is going to be the upward parabola. Means that here the value is going to be positive here, and here negative. Okay, from here to here negative. See here, y is negative in this region. Okay, so I need less than 0. Okay, so means that minus 3 to 1 by 2. So they are talking about this minus 3 to 1 by 2. This one. Right? And then for this one, x6 minus 5x. Now, if you solve it x6 minus 5x, so the sign is going to be the negative. I mean the sign of leading coefficient of x squared, because this is 6x minus 5x squared. So 0, and critical point is it's going to be the root. So this is 6 by 5. 6 by 5, because sign of leading coefficient is negative, so this is going to be my downward parabola. Okay, so less than 0, so where it is having less than 0, so this part is less than 0. This part is less than 0. Why? Here the value of y is negative, here too. Right? So this is my, what is this? This is 0, and this is 6 by 5. This is 6 by 5. So from 0 to 6 by 5. Sorry, from 0 to minus infinity means this region. The value is negative. And here from 6 by 5 to infinity. Okay, now we got this. Okay, we got this. Now here the main condition says, sorry, not main condition, but the base condition says x is greater than 1. So we have to apply this condition here. Okay, So x is greater than 1. Where is 1? This is 1. Okay, this is 1. And x is greater than 1 means this area they are talking about, right? So what's common between this and this? So if you look at what is common, you can see this is going to be the common area, this one. This is going to be the common area. So from here, x is going to be 6 by 5 to infinity. I hope this is visible to you. All right. Now we can take the case number 2. Okay. Now case number 2, what's going to happen? See here, I'm just making few changes here because I don't have much space. Okay, so all right, what I can do is I can write case 2 here. Fine. Okay, this is my case 2. Case 2. Okay, case 2. I will use black for this. So case 2, here the value of x is going to be between 0 and 1, and this is going to be your decreasing function. Okay, and then decreasing function means that the sign of equality gets reversed. So in the end, we are going to get this, but the inequality sign will get reversed. So it's going to be x plus 3 to x minus 1 by x 6 minus 5x, and here greater than 0. Okay, now we have to solve this. Now see here again, we have same thing here. So here I can draw the same points, minus 3, 0, 1 by 2, and here 6 by 5. Okay, 6 by 5. Okay, so see here, this thing is greater than 0 means this graph, okay, look at y greater than 0. So this region and this region. So it means this one, minus 3 to minus infinity, and 1 by 2 to infinity. Okay, and this one is greater than 0. So where, see here, the value is greater than 0, between 0 and 6 by 5. So between 0 and 6 by 5. Between 0 and 6 by 5. Okay, between 0 and 6 by 5. Now, the condition here says x belongs to 0 and 1. Okay, so open brackets, right? So it means that this is 1 here, this is 1 here. Okay, this is 1. So it means this region. Okay, so what's the common region here? Okay, if you see the common region here, so what's going to be the common region? The common region here, it is going to be the common region here, it's going to be 1 by 2, this one, right? This one, 1 by 2 to 1. Okay, because this is the common to this, this and this. Okay, so this is going to be your common region. Okay, so this is my case 1 result. This is my case 2 result. Okay, now what I will do here is, now I have to implement this main condition on these two results. Okay, so I can erase it, or okay, I will just try to draw it here. No, it will give you more confusion. So okay, I will just erase it, and here, see here, what I will do is from 1, This is 6 by 5 to infinity. This is 6 by 5. Okay. And this one is 1 by 2 to 1. This is 1. And this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So this case 1 means this. Right? And case 2 means 1 by 2 to 1 means this. Right? And put this main condition. Okay? Minus 5 by 4 to 6 by 5. This is minus 5 by 4 here. And this is 6 by 5. So they are talking about this. They are talking about this. Okay? So if you take the union of this thing and intersection, if you are going to take the union of these two cases and then you will do the intersection with this, then what's going to be the common area? See here. So the common area is this one, right? Here 1 by 2 to 1. So your x is going to be 1 by 2 to 1. So this must be your answer. Okay, so I hope you understand it. All right. Now